been a while since I got with y'all, but I got a video for y'all today. We finna put the 96 flow shift in my wife 94 Impala. So yeah, we're about to do that. I gotta knock off these factory wells, drill them all along there. I got the damn thing, but they didn't really have the right size at Harbor Freight, so I'm about to just do it a smaller hole and just say fuck it. I'll put a little glue around it. It's gonna be under the center console anyways, but it's like an inch and a little more than an inch and 3/4. Like it's between an inch and 3/4 and 2 inches or some shit like that. But I ain't even really too much worried about it. But we about to put this and all of this in that 94. So yeah, man, we got the 94 with the 95 doors. I got a broken window back here. Somebody got this window, let me know, man. Don't come talk about no $500, no $200, $300, $400. Fuck that. That bitch can stay broke. At least for now. But yeah, oh, I got this shit strapped up. I got the motor in that thing. I'm gonna clean it up a little bit, but I painted all underneath the hiss, the inner fenders, painted all of that shit. Make that shit look good. But now that I did that, I feel like I should have did the frame or whatever. But right now I gotta drill out them things there, take this console out and start doing that. I gotta cut some parts of the carpet and shit, but I'm gonna drill out these holes, pop this bracket off this floor, then I'll get back with y'all. Stay tuned. Alright, so this is pretty much what you got going on. Drilling it. This one popped up, this one didn't. It's gonna be alright. Just the majority of it need to be done. If it don't pop up, you can go in a circle like that. So I'm gonna run a screwdriver under it or something. A little chisel after. Cricket as hell, man. Yeah, y'all get the idea, man. Gotta do all of them. You should be able to see where they at. Without this, you really can't put the flow shift in there. You might be able to, but that shit gone. This the factory way. Stop playing. Stay tuned. So I got all of the holes popped through. I just took this file in there and popped it up. What's this? 1/4 inch? Nah, man. See, I ain't tripping. That's for this part. I don't know what size drill bit this is, yo. Oh, it probably is a 1/4 inch. 1/4 inch, both of them. Alright, man. So I got all of the welds drilled. I pretty much just let them in and pop this up. There you go. Alright, so bam. Now I got this shit separated from this. This is what we need. This right here, what you could use to get your hole to put in your car. Get you a little measurement of that, and you could use the factory little boot. At least if it's in good shape, but the one I got is in pretty good condition. So shit, I gotta go up in here, take this console out, and work on that shit. Sumo! My dog finna have some puppies too, man. Let me know if y'all interested in some of them babies. Her daddy was 130 pounds, 140 pounds. The mama was like 120, 130 or some shit like that, man. Some big dogs. And she well behaved type shit, you feel what I'm saying? Good temperament, especially around the kids. She'll go get some shit right now. Go find it, Sumo. Go get it. What you see? What you see? Come on. Right now, man. On guard. You feel what I'm saying? She on go. But yeah, man. The male who I bred her to, he was only like, he just turned a year. But it's like maybe a month ago, he was 11 months then, man. Dude, huge, bro. 150-pound male. Big ass dog. I'm gonna try to like put a picture of him at the bottom of the video if I can or whatever, man. But yeah, I'm trying to get off these bullies real soon. Y'all stay tuned. We on to the next shit. Back on this shit.
That shit crazy.
Before my phone died, I got these pieces out. That's the front one. Right here. I'm gonna use these two on the back right here. These two right here to line it up. So I'm gonna put the bolt in the nut right there. And when you stick the bolt through, you gotta cut the bottom in or it's gonna hit the drive shaft. So I'll put two right here. Try the two right here, and two right there. And then the rest of that shit should just bolt that back like stock. So shit, this the shifter hooked up in here. I got the two bolts in there. All bolts in there, but the other one lined up. So it's pretty much these two bolts. It's sturdy. It's hooked up too. As far as the shift cable situation, I literally just pop out this little pin right here. You hit it up from the bottom, and this whole little piece will come out. Or you could get the column, but I don't got the column. I ain't want to pay for it, man. But yeah, got the flow shift in there. Like it's supposed to be, man.